Now we're going to show you how to turn on lead generation or connect your email marketing system to the quiz so you can start collecting the emails of your leads. So to do that, you just want to come over here to the left menu and turn this toggle on to turn on lead generation. Now you're going to simply follow this flow. So the first step is to complete the opt-in form. So you can select the contact fields or the information that you're wanting to collect from your people or from your leads. We do recommend only collecting the information that you're actually going to need or that you actually will use, because the more information you're asking for, likely the less likely people will give it to you. So the more you ask them to do, the more work or the more time that takes. So you want to keep it as simple as possible here. And then you can see what your opt-in form looks like down here. Update it with copy so that people really feel compelled and excited to leave their email. And then you want to click on save and continue when that's ready. Now here's where you're selecting the platform, the email marketing system that you use, so that Interact knows which platform they're integrating with or where they're going to be sending your lead emails to. So for example, if I want to connect with MailerLite, I will click on this and you can see, you'll just follow the prompts, but once it's connected, you'll see this red check mark over here on the left. And then here's where I can choose if I want to set up actions to map a specific result that someone's getting. So I know based on their email, which result they got, and or certain answers. So if all right, I have to do this. So let's add an action. I'm going to send them to this list here. And then if you wanted to update a custom field like quiz result, you would know which quiz result they got. So by clicking save, I can apply that to all results. And then again, we confirm here in the system by giving you this sort of lightning bolt icon saying they are connected. You can hit save and continue. And now you can set this up for multiple answers, or maybe there's just one question that you're wanting to know how someone answers. You could do that, select the answer that you're wanting to add an action to in here. And when you're ready, click save and continue. Here you can activate unsubscribed recipients. This is up to you. I'm going to leave it off. So if you've unsubscribed from my list already, I'm not going to resubscribe you here. Save and continue. And then you want to map the field that someone's completing. So I asked for their email address and their first name with the field in the email marketing platform. So I see that in MailerLite, the email address is going to the email field and their first name is going to the name field. That looks good. So I click save and continue. And now you can even do a test integration right here from the platform. So if I type my name in and then send lead to my lead list, I see it was successful, and I could even go to my MailerLite account and see if I received that lead.